Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be going over some things that you should really look at before you start modeling your model in Fusion 360 or any other CAD program that you're working with. First of all, people always ask, where do I find my pictures to model from? Now, the first thing that I do when I look for a particular airplane, let's say I'm looking like for this A4 Skyhawk here, what I will do is go to Google and type in A4 Skyhawk, and then I will add the word blueprint behind that, or just A4 blueprint. Now, by adding that one word blueprint, you should be able to find a picture of what you're looking for, the actual, some actual blueprints. Now, if you don't find blueprints of it, then there's other sites that you can check. Another site that I use a lot is called The Blueprints. It's just the-blueprint.com, and they have a lot of pictures there. Now, once you find your picture, it's very important that there's everything lines up, because there are a lot of pictures of jets and things on the internet, but they don't particularly line up. Now, I'm not sure about this A4 here just yet. So things that I do before I actually start modeling this, let's say that I will sketch a line. Let me cancel this. First, I'm going to scale this. So what I want to do here is let's take this picture here, and I want to scale it, so I go to calibrate, and want this. Just imagine this coming straight down here. Now you can sketch a line here, which I do a lot. Then here, but I think you guys get the point here of what I'm doing. Okay, now this is so-called scale. Then I want to move this nose up to here. Then come and right-click and go to Edit. Then I'll move this up here. And click OK. Now we have our side view here. We have a top view here also. So what I want to do, actually I'm going to move this one because I used this one up here to scale it with. Okay. Now what you want to do, like with this here, I'm going to sketch a line on this plane. And this time I'm going to actually put this here and bring this down. And I'm going to sketch another line here. Bring this up. Okay, now we have from here to here. Now I'm going to put a constraint on here. So what I'm going to do is just come to sketch dimensions, select this, and come up here and hit enter. Okay, now this is constrained these two lines here. Now we know this is 2,600 millimeters. Now I'm sketching another line just to see, is this top here the same? Now I want you to see here. As I look at this some more, just to make sure we got everything lined up, and then I'm going to take this and show you. Now, these may look very close in size here, but they're not. You can see this is 2006 and this is 1986. So this can skew your model off when you put this on your top view up here. So whenever you have this, no matter what size you make this, and you use this picture here, this one's always going to be smaller. So they're not going to line up perfectly. And you have to remember that when you're modeling. And you'll have to do your best when putting this up here. I'll show you here. Let's go ahead and put a picture top view up here. Let me turn this one line off. Insert canvas. Okay, drag this out here and click OK. Now, I can scale this to 2000. And move this back. Now these are very close here, like I said, but they're not perfect. Let's sketch another line. Let's say I want a line here where the back of this canopy, I want a line here. And I want a line up here in front where this canopy comes up here. And look at this from the top here. Now you can see this is off. This is slightly forward of this, which it should not be, and this is slightly forward of this, which it should not be. Then, let's say we did move this forward. So it does line up like it should. So we move that forward. Now it doesn't line up with the nose. It's just slightly off, not much. Now this particular set of drawings, I would not worry about too much as far as the side views are and stuff like that. Now, but be very, very careful when using these former shapes. As you can see, this is A, and this is A right here. So if you drew a line or sketched a line, turn these others, or excuse me, these and this one off, and you sketch the line from A down here, and let's Okay, now looking at this, we can see that this line is maybe a little bigger than this here, this A here. And now I can take this, move this down here, and we can see this is a lot bigger than what this is here. So you would not be able just to sketch this former here, move this up here, and use it. What you would end up doing, since this looks like a perfect circle, you could actually just not sketch, but put a circle on this, or, you know, center point circle or something, whatever you want to use for it to get a circle. But what you want to do is separate this so you have this picture by itself of this former, and then make this this particular picture of this the same distance from here to here. So it'll be the same from here to here, the same size. So let's do this again for B. Let's go ahead and sketch a line again from where B is. And a lot of times I get a lot of messages, people telling me that the drawings aren't right or stuff like that. And most of the time I'm aware of that. It's just that I work around them. Now you can see this one is just a little bit off, not as bad as this one here, but it's still off. So this is not the correct size. So what you would have to do is scale this shape to fit this line here if you want to use this side view. So yeah, so what you want to do, again, if you were to use these formers for this particular jet here, you'd go and make sure that these formers are scaled to the correct size to match this jet here. But yeah, so if you're having trouble modeling and stuff like that in Fusion, take a listen to this.
Want to design and build your own RC airplanes from scratch? Get exclusive one-on-one tutoring in Fusion 360. I'll teach you surface modeling, solid modeling, and how to design internal structures for 3D printing. Already have an existing design? I can help you perfect it. Spots are strictly limited, so don't wait. Contact me on the CAD Build Fly RC Facebook or Patreon groups today. Links are in the description.
Okay, so now what we want to do here is remember to make sure you measure everything and be aware that certain things may be off and you have to work around them, like in this particular case here. These are not particularly scale drawings. You can see that the side view versus the top view is just a little smaller than a side view. Then these former shapes here, they're not the correct shapes to match. I mean, the shape is correct, but the size of it, the scaling of it is not the correct size to go along with this A4 Skyhawk here. So what you have to do is scale these formers up to match the size of this A4 here, and you should have a decent model here. And then I've got a video showing you guys how I modeled this A4. And if you guys want a more up-to-date version how I would do this, just leave a comment down below and I'll show you guys how to do that. I'm using these formers and stuff like that. But again, these drawings here, they're pretty good. But like I said, they're not completely scaled to each view of this jet here. I mean, we even have the back one here, the back view of this. And you could model this from this back view here. You would take each one of these lines here and just use those as your lines to model from. or you can use the formers that they have here. Now, me personally, I would use the formers to model this, but I think I did use the formers in a video, my previous video of showing you guys how to do this. So yeah, just want you guys to be aware of these pictures that you do find on the internet. And to recap what I said before, if you're looking for pictures to model things from, whether it be airplanes or a ship or anything, just make sure you put that word blueprint in there. And by putting that word blueprint in there, you should find pictures of what you're looking for and blueprints of them. And another site that I use is called The Blueprints. It's just the-blueprint.com. And you should be able to find bunches of pictures there and of former shapes and all the stuff like that. And blueprints of, and pretty much cars, boats, and all types of things there, tanks, helicopters. So yeah. But anyway, I just want you guys to be aware of that, because this is very important, because you get to start modeling something and then you know these things aren't lining up. And me, honestly, when I first started working with Fusion several years ago, I would have just looked at this and just started modeling right away from this, thinking this would be perfectly fine. But over the years, as I've been modeling, realized that, hey, these pictures are not always, the chances of being lined up and everything are at best probably 30 to 40% being lined up perfectly, because there are some pictures here on the internet that are lined up perfectly and all the formers are the correct size and stuff like that. But those are rare, but they are out there if you're looking for things to model. Just be aware to scale your models to the correct size here, the pictures, and you should be okay. And just always be aware in your back mind to keep that in your mind that, hey, these may not be the right size. So yeah. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And if you can, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And also invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. And both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And if you have any questions or anything, what I did here and from other videos or anything, just leave a comment below or contact me on my Facebook group or my Patreon site. And if you can, become a paid member on my Patreon site. It's only $5 a month. And there's blueprints and things I show you how to model here on my channel that you can download over there. You can download them as much as you want and do with them whatever you want to. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.